सपने एक के बाद एक पूरे हो रहे हैं, जो कभी नहीं सोचा था वो चीज़ें हो रही है। 100 करोड़ के अलावा आपकी लाइफ में रिसेंटली ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ हुई है जो आपको देख के आपको अभी तक वो प्रोसेस नहीं हो रही? किसी ने आपको मैसेज किया है? व्हाट हैज़ बीन दैट फॉर यू?
वो एक्चुअली बहुत से लोगों ने मैसेज किया है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। जिन
Industry
लोगों से
से?
हाँ जिन लोगों से मैं इंस्पायर होता
हाँ।
था उन लोगों ने मैसेज किया है। करण जौहर ने मैसेज किया
वाओ,
एंड टू बिलीव इन अ
न्यूकमर।
न्यूकमर
या
for a person like Karan Johar.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more than anything. I was actually inspired by Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone.
Wow.
Yeah, from I mean the way they portrayed Ram and Leela in Ram Leela. I wasn't frustrated at all. I was enjoying it in a way that this is something which I have to live for a temporary time. मैंने honestly Friday को फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी और मुझे मौका मिला था ट्यूसडे को देखने का। तो ट्यूसडे को भी मैं ऐसे बुक करा था और मुझे अपनी फिल्म की टिकट ही नहीं मिली।
वाओ।
या
हेलो एवरीवन, दिस इज आयना एंड वेलकम टू इंस्टेंट बॉलीवुड। आज हम कुछ नया करने वाले। एज यू कैन सी वी आर एट क्लमजी स्टूडियो इन मुंबई, जहां अभय के साथ, जहां पे वी आर गोइंग टू ट्राई समथिंग डिफरेंट। फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल अभय, कंग्रेचुलेशंस।
थैंक यू।
100 करोड़ मुझे
Wow.
मुझे याद है जब आपने स्क्रीनिंग के लिए आप रेड कार्पेट पे दिखे थे, आप खुद का पोस्टर देख के यू आर अ लिटिल टेकन अबैक एंड यू स्पोक अबाउट, मैंने ये सिर्फ सपने में सोचा था और
Correct.
आज आपकी फिल्म 100 करोड़ कर चुकी है। व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट इट? आई हैव टू फर्स्ट आस्क यू दैट।
वाओ, आई मीन एक वो 800 रुपए से 100 करोड़ की जो जर्नी है ना, दैट इज रियली समथिंग व्हिच स्टिल एक्चुअली फील्स लाइक अ ड्रीम। आई रियली डोंट नो ये हो भी रहा है ये और हाउ टू टेक इट इवन। इट इज दैट काइंड ऑफ अ फीलिंग एंड यू नो आई जस्ट से वन थिंग हियर। एक बहुत ही स्पेशल रियलाइजेशन थी दैट आई केम टू रियलाइज that my dreams, I thought कि मेरे सपने मैं ही पूरे कर सकता हूँ, but no, until unless people are not going to appreciate my work and whom I work for,
Yeah.
जब तक वो appreciate नहीं करेंगे, वो प्यार नहीं देंगे, my dreams are incomplete.
नहीं, बिल्कुल।
That's the realization that I've got. I'm really happy with it.
अभी ऐसा लग रहा है कि सपने एक के बाद एक पूरे हो रहे हैं, जो कभी नहीं सोचा था वो चीज़ें हो रही है। 100 करोड़ के अलावा आपकी लाइफ में रिसेंटली ऐसी कौन सी चीज़ हुई है जो आपको देख के आपको अभी तक वो प्रोसेस नहीं हो रही? किसी ने आपको मैसेज किया है? व्हाट हैज़ बीन दैट फॉर यू?
वो एक्चुअली बहुत से लोगों ने मैसेज किया है, टू बी ऑनेस्ट। जिन
Industry
लोगों से
से?
हाँ जिन लोगों से मैं इंस्पायर होता
हाँ.
था उन लोगों ने मैसेज किया है। करण जौहर ने मैसेज किया
वाओ,
एंड टू बिलीव इन अ
न्यूकमर।
न्यूकमर
या
for a person like Karan Johar.
Yeah.
I mean, it's more than anything. Like he has shaped Hindi film industry in a lot of ways.
या
By producing, by directing stuff, and this and that. Kabhi Khushi Gum se leke abhi tak ka safar
Yeah.
unka. It's actually crazy. And then, you know, whom I've gotten inspired from Vicky Kaushal, Ayushmann
Yeah.
Khurrana,
या
and from critics, if I may say, Rajiv Masan.
Yeah.
So I mean, he's been reviewing things since 25 years now.
एब्सोल्युटली।
And for a guy that experienced to believe in a newcomer,
या
I mean, too good to be true, honestly.
उसी को सेलिब्रेट करने के लिए हम आए हैं क्लमजी स्टूडियो में।
We're being clumsy today.
We're being a little clumsy and fun today. और हम डफ्टिंग करने वाले हैं। आपने कभी ये किया है पहले?
नहीं, मैं पानीपत से हूँ, ये देखा तो है, but not in a way जैसा हम आज करने वाले हैं, I'm sure.
तो जैसे जैसे आप देख सकते हो, काफी प्यारा स्टूडियो। यहाँ से आप
Yeah.
कलर्स उठा के, हमने थोड़े कलर्स उठाए और मुंजा को ट्रिब्यूट देने के लिए क्लमजी ने एक डिजाइन बनाया हमारे लिए जो थोड़ा स्कैरी है।
Right.
आप व्हाट डू यू हैव टू से अबाउट इट? व्हाट कलर डू यू वांट टू डू दिस?
I think सबसे पहली बात तो मैं ये कहूँगा, हम दोनों ऐसे पहले लोग होंगे जो भूत को कुछ गिफ्ट कर रहा है। हम लोगों को तो करते हैं, बट भूत को किसी ने कुछ गिफ्ट नहीं किया, so that's the first thing which we are starting.
इसके बाद आप एक्शन फिल्म में कास्ट हो सकते हो शायद, सो यू नेवर नो।
This is my action film का audition.
Yeah, this
Wow.
is your action film audition on Instant Bollywood.
Let's go.
We love that.
Let's go.
Okay, not bad. Very well. Wow,
Whoa, this is cool यार।
very cool.
पानीपत
very
की लाज रख ली।
पर आपने कभी किया था ये पानीपत में?
नहीं, ऑनेस्टली मेरे बहुत फ्रेंड्स का ये बिजनेस है और ये काम है, बट नो, नेवर ट्राइड।
You can always say अभी मैं आपकी मदद कर सकता हूँ। हम मॉडर्न डे।
अब मैं उनका बिजनेस ही टेक ओवर करने वाला हूँ।
वेरी गुड, वेरी गुड। आपने काफ़ी इंटरव्यूज में ये कहा था दैट मुंबई आना was very difficult for you to survive here.
Yeah.
Acting एक ऐसी इंडस्ट्री है जो काफ़ी अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है.
Right.
आपने उस दौर को कैसे गुजारा जब आपको नहीं पता था आपको काम मिलेगा या नहीं?
Honestly, I've always lived in a unpredictable kind of a
Situation.
environment. Yeah,
हाँ.
it has always happened कि मैं unpredictability में ज़्यादा I happen to be. And when I came to Bombay, I mean, it's always a blindfold that you put on. जब आप acting में आप मतलब इस field में आप enter करने की कोशिश करते हो,
जी.
so it's always a blindfold जो आपके आंखों पे रहता है. You will never know like what's gonna happen.
Yeah.
And that can be negative but positive also, of
Yeah.
course, in a big way, because आप ऑडिशन दे रहे हो, you're working for the process, but you don't have a certainty of a job.
Yeah.
कि मैं कल शूट पे चला जाऊंगा या शायद अगले साल तक ना जाऊं. So that's this thing. जैसे मुंजा में हुआ, I mean now it's been like almost a long time for me to be on a set. So after Munja's appreciation, my hunger has grown so much
Yeah.
that I want to be on a set so badly, and I just want to like, you know, keep the pace up and
Yeah.
just do
Grow,
whatever.
grow.
Yeah, and just not just मतलब in terms of की appreciation और मिले, but just काम करने का एक जो the hunger which have grown inside me
Yeah.
after public has given me so much love ना.
Yeah.
तो वो एक बढ़ गया है. But having said that, starting में तो I mean it's really something that if you can survive this city.
पहली इंक्लिनेशन क्या थी एक्टिंग के लिए कि मुझे ये इंडस्ट्री में जाना है? आपने क्या देखा बचपन में या आपकी मॉम ने या हाउ डिड एक्टिंग एक्चुअली हैपन टू यू?
So I mean, a lot of credit has to go to my parents also,
Yeah.
because they have really forged my way. The one thing which they've really been specific on, Aina, is to let their children dream,
Yeah.
you know, and not demean the power of dreaming, whatever field you might want to get into. तो वो उन्होंने हमेशा इंटैक्ट रखी है. इट्स जस्ट वन थिंग दैट दे हैव ऑलवेज केप्ट कि जस्ट कीप द ट्रस्ट ऑफ द पेरेंट्स इंटैक्ट.
Yeah.
डोंट गो हियर एंड देयर और डोंट ऐसे डिस्ट्रैक्ट मत होना, बट
Yeah.
अदरवाइज just be focused and do whatever field you want to pursue
You
in.
want to pursue.
Yeah, so that's there. Like आपका ना 80% of the job is done when your parents supports you.
बिल्कुल.
That is, I mean, that's there. वो 20% है जो आपको मतलब you have to take the journey ahead, of course, और उनका नाम रोशन करना है आपको. But that's a big support that you have. That even if you fall, that you have someone who can hold you back.
Yeah.
So that support is, I think, is a win in itself.
But did you watch any movie? Did you have a favorite actor कि मुझे ये करना है?
I was actually inspired by Ranveer Singh and Deepika Padukone.
Wow.
Yeah, from I mean the way they portrayed Ram and Leela in Ram Leela.
Lovely.
Yeah, it had everything for me.
Yeah.
And you know, after Ram Leela, I have never seen a film with the same this thing. जैसे मैं passion में नहीं, but with the same intent.
हाँ.
Like my viewing experience has become very different. Like I don't see film just purely on the basis of entertainment. I feel like, whoa, I mean, I want to know more about it. Like I want to, whenever I meet Ranveer, I mean, I'll definitely ask him a lot of things which
You've not met him yet?
I haven't met him.
Oh my
I haven't. Even Deepika.
Even Deepika.
Even Deepika, I haven't
think
met.
Ranveer Singh is like one of the best interviews I have
Oh, really?
had in my life. Because
क्या बात है?
वो आते हैं, दरवाजा खुलता है, मार्शल अपने शोल्डर
Oh,
से लेके
हाँ.
पॉप करते,
Yeah.
डांस करते करते आते हैं, and he's
Right.
like, hi, Ranveer Singh, and I'm like, hi. I mean, Deepika, I think she's
Oh yeah, she's
absolutely a delight.
absolutely amazing. Yeah, she's actually a delight to watch, and plus the way her journey has been, you know, coming from more or less as an outsider
Yeah.
and pursuing this and then excelling how like a global ambassador of whatnot.
Absolutely.
I mean, it's just
Her
it's
journey
just
is
great.
amazing.
Yeah, 100%. It's amazing, yeah. And those are the people whom I really gotten inspired from. And then I thought, ki, okay, I'll also entertain people as they have entertained me.
Yeah.
I would also like to give that feeling ahead, जो मुझे मिली थी उनको देखकर.
Yeah.
So it was as pure as that and as simple as that. That's where it started.
I'm going to ask you more about Mumbai and we'll try this a little bit more.
Let's do it.
ठीक. Yeah, you can try and then उसके बाद मैं कर लेती हूँ एक बार. अरे प्रो
हो रहा है?
प्रो अभय प्रो क्या लाइन बनी है ये वाली?
वाह यार.
हाँ. अच्छा इसको वापस जाना पड़ेगा अभी?
हाँ.
अरे now that we've done a little bit, well done, high five.
All
I
thanks
think
to you.
काफी क्रेडिट आपको जाता है, आपने काफी नीटली किया है.
Teamwork.
Yeah, teamwork makes dream work. But you know, you spoke about how you know, मैंने आपका एक इंटरव्यू देखा था जहाँ पे the clip went really viral. Is you were working also as a junior artist.
Yeah.
And you know, you would wait, आप daily wages के लिए आप रुकते थे.
Correct.
Was it because survival in Bombay was difficult, या कहीं ना कहीं था कि यार मैं कहीं तो दिख जाऊँ, कोई तो प्रोजेक्ट कर लूँ, किसी डायरेक्टर को मिल लूँ, किसी एक्टर को मिल लूँ, या सही जगह पहुँच जाऊँ?
It was all to be on a film set.
What do you say?
Yeah, that was all. कि घर से बाहर निकले and to be on a film set was like the place in the world. Like it still means more than any pilgrimage or anything. किसी if I may say so, किसी मंदिर या किसी वो ही मेरे लिए मंदिर है actually.
Right.
तो it was that initially तो मतलब you just I mean you don't find a place to go in Bombay when you enter.
Yeah.
आप बहुत ऐसा वैसे हो जाते हो, अरे अब आ तो गई शहर में, now where to go. But then Super 30 was the opportunity that gave me a reason to be on a set.
Yeah.
And I actually didn't care about the 800 rupees also. I just cared to be on a film set.
But frustrating
all.
था उस दौरान, जिस तरह से चीज़ें थी, या फिर just waiting. बहुत काम करना होता है जूनियर आर्टिस्ट को, मैंने देखा है सेट पे.
Yeah.
बहुत वेटिंग भी होती है.
Correct. That is.
हाँ. Was it ever frustrating for you कि यार मैं क्यों कर रहा हूँ ये?
Honestly, I'll be very. I don't want to sound rude on that, but I always knew that I want to do bigger things.
Fair.
I'm meant for that. Yeah. That's a belief I think everyone should have.
Absolutely.
Yeah. And waiting in that line and everything, you know, I wasn't frustrated at all. I was enjoying it in a way that this is something which I have to live for a temporary time, and I'm gonna, you know,
Yeah.
do something. Take it one level up with every coming opportunity. So that's a positive belief which I always had in me, which kind of made the struggle not so struggling. One actually has to have a little positive mindset also, Raina. You can't just
Absolutely.
think about the cons all the time.
Yeah.
The fact that you are in the city where magic happens, that itself is a pro in its own.
Yeah.
And that's where you know उसके बाद की journey आप decide करते हो and your deeds decide that.
बिल्कुल.
But being on Super 30 set was something where I just wanted to be on a set irrespective of they were paying me, they were not paying me. I mean, it was enough to be on a film set and to see Hrithik Roshan from like side eye and not being able to go there, but see him to perform, to you know, just behave how he is on set, how he imbibes, how he becomes the character, this or that. So, and I haven't learned anything as in acting wise. I didn't go to any film school
Acting
or anything.
school,
Yeah.
yeah.
Too costly. But that was my film school.
No, that's
I mean,
lovely.
yeah, that's the most practical. Ranbir Kapoor actually said that I never learnt so much in my film school than I learnt on the sets of Black. I think he assisted in one of the Sanjay sir's film.
Yeah.
So he said that was the practical examination which was more learning experience than the film school.
Yeah.
So Super 30 was kind of that for me, and it was like face to face, trying to find a space to be in front of camera, or trying to find a line so that you come on screen for just 1 second.
Yeah.
And the waiting, I mean,
The waiting is a lot.
Yeah, the waiting is something, I mean, that's really
But
tedious.
आपको ऐसे लोग मिले जिन्होंने आपकी कहीं ना कहीं सेल्फ डाउट अगर क्रिएट किया हो, ऑडिशंस के दौरान, रिजेक्शंस जब आप फेस करते हो, सेल्फ डाउट बहुत आ जाता है एक इंसान के अंदर. डिड यू फेस दैट एवर, जहाँ पे you know, कुछ लोग शायद आपको एडवाइस दे रहे हो, ओपिनियन दे रहे हो आपके अच्छे के लिए, बट शायद वो अच्छे के लिए ना हो? Did anyone ever try to tell you something that was not the best for you?
I mean, there are people who try to demean your dreams.
Yeah.
I won't agree to that. I will absolutely. I mean, I won't shy away from the fact that there won't be everyone who will be.
Yeah.
I mean, wanting
The best
same.
for you.
Yeah, the best
Yeah.
for you. Correct. Thank you for saying that. But having said that, you have to believe in your journey, and this is your journey that you have to forge for yourself.
Yeah.
That's also you have to keep in mind. मतलब कोई और आपकी journey नहीं जिएगा, and nobody has the right to do so also. You shouldn't give the right to any other person to live your journey. or take decisions for you. I think your failures, more than success, your failure should be yours.
Yeah.
You shouldn't be dependent on for your failures
Yeah.
you shouldn't put the blame on anyone.
Anyone else.
So that's the position that you shouldn't put yourself in. And I don't crib on the waiting time. मुझे ये नहीं होता यार मैं 4 घंटा पहले आ जाता था और 4 घंटा बाद जाता था और फिर 4-5 घंटा सो के फिर दोबारा अगले दिन वो आई डोंट क्रिव आई स्माइल ऑन दैट लाइक वाओ आई एम हैप्पी दैट आई डिड एवरी स्टेप एंड आई लिव्ड एवरी स्टेप लाइक अगर वो ना जीता ना तो आई थिंक मैं अब जो फिल्म्स देखता हूँ ना तो आई वॉच इट वन फॉर द actors and one for the camera and whatever work and one for all the other like junior artists who are there.
Right.
Like your vision goes there also because you were a part of it. So you understand the empathy of where a junior artist also or anyone on the set comes from.
Yeah.
तो वो एक step जीना बहुत जरूरी है to live your
To know
journey
where you
also.
started from.
Yeah, to live that journey.
Yeah.
Like I wouldn't have enjoyed the success of Munja so much if I wasn't on Super 30 as a junior artist.
Absolutely.
So every step has a value in its own. That's how I
आपने
believe.
कहा था जब मैंने आपका इंटरव्यू लिया था मुंजा के दौरान आपने कहा था मम्मी को चाहिए था कि मैं दिखूं
हाँ करेक्ट
मम्मी की बस इतनी ख्वाहिश थी कि तू दिख रहा है ना
Right, right, right,
एंड
correct.
ट्रेलर का था ही एंड यू वर द फिल्म वाज ऑन यू इट वाज
Yeah.
अबाउट यू मम्मी का क्या रिएक्शन था वो जस्ट सीइंग एवरीथिंग that is happening.
बाप रे.
Is
So-
she able to believe that all this is happening for you?
I think she acts subtle. She is subtle about it. But having said that, moms are a little shy type.
हाँ.
They don't say, but you have to feel it from the way they serve you food or whatever. The kind of when water comes when you're home.
Yeah.
So that's a little things
Small,
which they
small
feel कि हाँ चलो ठीक है बच्चा काम करके आया तो भी इसको.
Yeah.
बट हैविंग सेड दैट मैंने ऑनेस्टली फ्राइडे को फिल्म रिलीज हुई थी और मुझे मौका मिला था ट्यूसडे को देखने का. तो ट्यूसडे को भी मैं ऐसे बुक कर रहा था और मुझे अपनी फिल्म की टिकट नहीं मिली.
Wow.
या
Love that.
या तो मतलब मेरे लिए ऐसा था दैट वाज एक्चुअली द फर्स्ट टाइम जब मैं एक्चुअली रोया था कि वाओ आई मीन समथिंग हैज हैपेंड.
Yeah.
लाइक ऑन अ ट्यूसडे अगर आपको टिकट नहीं मिल रही है खुद की ही फिल्म की आगे की 2 रोज थी मतलब वो मैं जाना नहीं चाहता था ऑब्वियसली अपनी फिल्म में. बट जब वो टिकट नहीं मिली ना है ना तो तब मुझे लगा वाओ आई मीन पीपल आर गोइंग एंड पीपल आर
Watching it.
या वाचिंग मी.
Yeah.
I sorry to be selfish, but people are going to watch me in theaters.
Yeah.
That's the ultimate thing. इससे ऊपर कुछ है ही नहीं लाइफ में.
बिल्कुल.
That is it. And मम्मी बोलती मैं भी जाऊंगी देखने, even though she saw it on the premiere day. बट वो बोलती है आधा टाइम तो रोने में ही चला गया तो मैं देख ही नहीं पाई पिक्चर तो मैं दोबारा जाऊंगी तेरे साथ.
दोबारा जाएंगे मम्मी.
तो हाँ
अमेजिंग.
ऐसा
बट
था.
ऐसा हुआ है दैट आपको एक बड़ी प्रोजेक्ट आई हो फिल्म्स आए हो या ऑफर्स आए हो बड़े डायरेक्टर्स के साथ और लास्ट मोमेंट वो चेंज हो गया हुआ है?
It's been my life.
क्या बात कर रहे हो?
Yeah.
पहुंचते पहुंचते शॉर्टलिस्ट होते होते फिर नहीं होते.
Shortlist नहीं. I got locked for films.
Which film?
I prepped for films and then it didn't happen. Or it happened for someone else later on, or the
Yeah.
project got shelved.
Yeah.
2 बार तो ऐसा हुआ है that I'm prepping for a character, I'm doing a film, and I'm all happy about it because that's my film also. So Munja was supposed to be my would have been my 7th or 8th film अगर वो सब हो जाती तो.
7th or 8th
Yeah,
film?
yeah, it would have been my first.
Oh
तो
my God.
बहुत सी ऐसी opportunities और वो हुए हैं, but it happens for the good. I mean now I
Which
can.
films have you, if you can say a few?
Actually, I don't remember the names also because these films didn't got made also.
Okay.
But a couple got made, but I'm not actually remembering the name because the name changed later on, and then I mean
Yeah.
I was a little disconnected, so
Got it.
I didn't remember it.
उस
so
दौरान
that
अपने
time-
आप को कैसे संभाला?
It was tough. That was actually the toughest time where I actually it was bad. I broke down and it was constantly my brother telling me that ये सब होता है and film is not released until it's seen in the theaters.
Yeah.
Last minute भी changes हो जाते हैं. Like my
Yeah.
film Anbairagi was
Yeah.
supposed to come in TV, world premiere, this that, but 15 minutes before we got to know that it's not going to come.
Oh my God.
That and मैं full family को 50 लोगों को अपने घर पे बुला के I'd invited this and that and
नहीं हुआ.
नहीं हुआ.
But it's okay. Better things were supposed to
Yeah,
happen.
yeah,
शायद
right,
इसीलिए-
correct. So
इसलिए
that
जो होता है अच्छे के लिए
जो
होता
होता है absolutely अच्छे के लिए होता है. But उस टाइम पे नहीं लगता है ना आपको. उस टाइम
नहीं
पे लगता है
लगता
that this is the world and
जिंदगी
ला
खत्म हो
it's
गई.
shattered like it's gone.
Yeah.
And opportunity is such thing ना here जब आपको पता नहीं है कि next कब मिलने वाली है.
बिल्कुल.
तो दैट्स व्हाट यू फियर अबाउट. अगर आपको लगता है कि यहाँ सामने अपॉर्चुनिटी है, देन यू डोंट फियर अबाउट थिंग्स. ओके, आई हैव समथिंग एल्स टू फॉलो अप ऑन. बट जब नहीं होता है कुछ, then from 10 when you come to 0 and then when you have to start again, it feels like that.
कभी ऐसा लगा कि एक्टिंग नहीं करनी है, बहुत अनप्रिडिक्टेबल है, बहुत टेस्ट कर रहा है मेरे पेशेंस को, एंड आई थिंक आई शुड हैव एन ऑल्टरनेट करियर चॉइस?
No,
नेवर.
never.
ये काफ़ी एक्टर्स ने मुझे कहा है कि मेरे पास कभी कोई बैकअप ऑप्शन था ही नहीं,
नहीं
जो
था.
है ये है.
नहीं था. I always believe in a fact that even if you fall when you have only plan A, you'll always fall forwards. Because plan B जब होगा and whenever any challenges come, so you'll always step back.
Yeah.
कि हाँ, I have something to fall back on.
Yeah.
But why do you have to fall back?
Yeah.
I mean, if you are falling, then fall forward.
Yeah.
So that's the basic idea that I have, and it has never gotten to a point where I have said no. Oh, actually, it did happen once.
Once.
So my first ever meeting in Bombay was not the ideal meeting. I mean, people. I mean, they want different things in life.
You faced casting couch?
In a way, yeah. I was too naive to
Oh my god.
to even register that
Yeah.
happening. But yeah, it happened once. But then later on, I said, ki, why should I ever give a remote to my TV to everyone to play and change channels?
Yeah.
Like, that is my life and that is my goals. And I'd gone back to Panipat, like, I crushed my dreams. I said, no, this can't happen, this, that. Because some things you live by and you don't want to compromise on.
Absolutely.
And so then I came back from Panipat to Bombay with like a
जोश के
like
साथ.
a हाँ like a changed person.
हाँ.
और जब मैं आया तो मुझे रियलाइज हुआ कि ओके, मतलब दिस इज योर जर्नी और किसी और का हक नहीं है आपको जर्नी आपके अलावा बताने का.
Right. Right.
तो आप ही उस चीज़ को अपने लिए पॉसिबल कर सकते हो एंड नोबडी एल्स विल डू इट. वो था एंड देन देयर वाज नो, आई थिंक वो कभी ऐसा ख्याल उसके बाद कभी नहीं आया दैट आई शुड लीव दिस वंडरफुल प्रोफेशन.
Absolutely.
या
No, but that's kudos to you and your strength that has, and you've come a very very long way, and I'm sure
I guess.
आगे जाके भी, अभी तो सफर शुरू हुआ है.
शुरू हुआ, करेक्ट.
फीमेल फॉलोइंग के साथ कैसे डील कर रहे हो?
मैं डील ही नहीं कर रहा हूँ मैं प्रॉपरली. आई मीन आई एम अप्रिशिएटिंग इट विद लाइक आई फील लाइक जस्ट हैविंग एवरी पर्सन दैट आई मीट नाउ.
Yeah.
You know, yeah, absolutely. Be it females, be it males, or whatever. Like, people are actually, the fascinating thing is people from all age groups are loving. Like, I went to theater to surprise the audiences, and एक 5 साल की बच्ची ने अपने गले की चेन उतार के, she had very cartoon वाला वो
Yeah,
her favorite
yeah.
character must be. तो उसने वो उतार के मुझे पहना दी when I was kneeling down
How
to click a
sweet.
picture with her.
That is so sweet.
तो एंड यू मस्ट नो आयना कि एक बच्चे का दिल जीतना कैसा होता है. अदरवाइज बच्चे मतलब बहुत जल्दी थिएटर में फोन निकाल लेते हैं, कुछ भी इधर डिस्टर्ब इधर उधर ये वो सब, बट दे वर इंटरेस्टेड इन वाचिंग द फिल्म.
Yeah.
आई मीन दैट्स अ विन.
No, absolutely.
Yeah, and from a person who delivered, who was about to deliver, like he knocked my door and I opened the door and he said, "Sir, आपकी delivery." So he recognized me early in the morning.
Oh my god.
Yeah, he said, "Sir, मैं कल ही आपकी फिल्म देख के आया हूँ." And he said, मैं 7 साल के बाद थिएटर गया अपनी फैमिली को लेकर
Wow.
फिल्म देखने के लिए.
Wow.
So that was something like, these are the wins. It's not just 100 crores in terms of money, but it's just 100 crore smiles that you spread.
Yeah.
That's the bigger purpose for me.
Yeah.
And that serves more than the money for me. I mean, producers must be happy, but I'm more happy in spreading all the other things also rather than money. So
Producers are coming your way, and we hope more of them do.
I hope.
We'll probably get
Yeah.
back to the outline to
Let's do
finish
the
this.
eyes.
Let's do it. So I want to, before we leave, पूछना था लोगों को आपसे अब काफ़ी उम्मीद है. They're counting you as the next big star of the generation. They're saying a lot of things कि आप पे अभी काफ़ी उम्मीदें हैं.
Right.
मेरे 2 सवाल है. आपका इस पे क्या कहना है? How are you taking the pressure? How are you taking the expectations? और इंडस्ट्री की एटीट्यूड आपने देखा है कहीं ना कहीं आपकी तरफ चेंज हुई है. जो लोग शायद आपकी कॉल्स नहीं उठाते थे, वो आज उठाने लगे, आपको सामने से कॉल कर रहे हैं. भाव देना जिसको बोलते हैं.
Yeah, right. Wow, then.
आप भाव दे रहे हैं. If I can say it that way.
Right.
What do you have to say?
I am just, honestly, Aina, I am just happy that my work is speaking for me.
Yeah.
Like, I don't have to say a lot now. My work speaks. and I mean, in a very like polite way, I'm saying that, which is the best thing also because that's all you have when you come from outside. That's all you want to be known for, and that's how you want to leave a mark.
Yeah.
तो अगर आप उसी से ही आप पहचानने जाते हो तो आई थिंक देयर इज नथिंग लाइक इट. ऑफ कोर्स चेंज ऑनेस्टली होता है. आई मीन बिकॉज पीपल ऑल्सो डोंट नो यू एज मच,
Yeah.
और आपने उतना काम ही नहीं किया होता है कि लोग हाँ आपको भाव दें या ऐसा कुछ हो. बट हैविंग सेड दैट इट्स ब्यूटिफुल नाउ that people recognize, and you know, with Munja it's not just that I have won or it's my film or this that. I met producers like, I mean, Karan Johar, Lakshman Utekar, we were discussing. So if these people, you know, get the confidence, I mean, they don't usually say this to an actor, but they said it to me. Like with Munja, with your performance, what you have done, like we don't have to think so much in putting a project out there.
Yeah.
That's a win for not just me, for 300 people who are there on set.
After seeing the success, did it ever get to your head? Did you ever feel like यार अब तो मैं स्टार बन सकता हूँ? कभी कभी हो जाता है, फिर मम्मी आती है, मम्मी बोलती है calm down, you should remember where you started from, because
Yeah,
ये इंडस्ट्री ऐसी और ग्लैमर एक ऐसी चीज़ है
right,
जो आप वो ग्लैमर की चमक में अपने आप को कभी खो सकते हो.
right.
वो डर कभी रहा है या वो डर अभी है कि मुझे अपने आप को कभी नहीं खोना?
आई मीन अगर वो डर ऑनेस्टली अगर वो थिंकिंग अगर होती ना तो मैं शायद वो पहली बार जो मेरी मीटिंग हुई थी वो उसके बाद मैं एक अलग अभय वर्मा होता. आई रियली एम बिकॉज आई एम हियर, आई एम टॉकिंग टू यू. सो यू, आई हैव सीन योर इंटरव्यूज विद एवरी अदर पर्सन whom I wanted to be like,
Yeah.
you know. So you have really been a person whom I have really aspired to talk to.
That's
Honestly,
so
Aina.
sweet.
I mean, really, I don't say it for saying that because I don't have to.
Yeah.
But I'm really saying it that okay, शायद मैं उस दिन कुछ बन जाऊंगा जिस दिन आपके साथ बात करूंगा. Like it was that kind of a.
That is so
No, that I mean, I'm just saying what I have always thought about. I'm not shying away कि मैंने ऐसा नहीं सोचा and I'll act cool. I mean, coolness is this that you actually express whatever you're feeling. That's what I feel. And having said that, I have always thought that my actually parents has to do a lot with it. Like the upbringing and everything that I have groomed in has always, you know, so deeply rooted to my principles and whatever I've grown up with. और मैं उस जिस तरीके का इंसान भी हूँ. I mean, this I know for a fact that the fact that I said कि मेरा ड्रीम ही इनकम्प्लीट है if public support is not there. So you know that validates it that I don't take it as a personal thing.
Yeah.
I believe actors only and only are mediators, and that's how they should take it. It's nothing that we own. We just take from the director and we present to the audience. That's all that we do. And उसके लिए इतना प्यार मिल जाता है सिर्फ एक मीडिएटर बनने के लिए. And I mean that's the thing. I mean I live on just playing my part. And just spreading whatever. So this cinema actually gives me an opportunity to talk to millions of people.
Absolutely.
Like Aina and Abhay Verma are talking, but someone in the world is seeing your interview right now as we speak, and someone is seeing my film in theaters as we speak.
Yeah.
I mean that's the power that we both hold, and thankfully we are on the creator side of the world.
Absolutely.
And not the follower side.
I love it.
Yeah.
I love it. I
Yeah,
love it.
absolutely. It's fortunate and a blessing to be on the creator side.
And to wake up every day and be excited कि आज काम पे जाना है, क्योंकि
Correct.
काफी लोगों को वो privilege नहीं मिलता
Oh my God, yeah.
life में.
It's a blessing.
So, we are hoping to so much more ahead for you, and it was lovely speaking with you. We're quickly going to just wrap this up and
Yes.
see what the final product looks like in our baby Munja.
This is worth 100 crore also.
Yeah.
Three, two, one, go.
Yeah. So please like, share, and subscribe to Instant Bollywood.